Denmark is the natural link between the Nordic countries and the European Union. The starting position is ideal. Whatever the destination, the transport options are abundant. Ports, railways, roads and airports mean quick delivery. As the pilot approaches the green island of Funen in the middle of Denmark, exciting things begin. For it's at Stora Papyrus Dalum that you can find cyclists and cyclist print. The size of the site is 300,000 square meters, 50,000 square meters of which are undercover. And the paper mill has its own power plant for generating energy. The staff of 420 persons at Dalum and Næstved are engaged in the production of recycled paper. This natural-coloured recycled pulp, used for the production of cyclist and cyclist print, is 100% post-consumer waste paper. It's been collected by Scan Paper and several other paper collection companies, and consists of paper used in business and governmental offices, and printers' printed waste. When the pulp arrives from the Næstved de-inking plant, it has been purified and is ready for production in the computer-controlled paper-making machines. Firstly, the pulp is dissolved in the pulper. Then it's sprayed from the head box onto the wire cloth where it's de-watered. The paper web passes the press section, entering into the pre-drying section and passes through the coating unit, to finally enter the dryer section and the calendar rollers. Now the paper web is ready for winding into rolls. At Stora Papyrus we don't compromise. We want to specialize in both high and low basis weights, and this is why the production of recycled paper takes place in 2 paper-making machines. Cyclist is available in basis weights from 70 to 250 grams per square meter, and cyclist print from 90 to 200 grams. Total investments of 600 million kroner, 60 million pounds sterling in the cyclist production during the past 5 years have brought the mill onto the leading edge of technology, producing up to 150,000 tons of very refined recycled paper a year. Both machines have high technology equipment, and the complete process is under constant control to assure that the production is within the norms laid down. In the satellite laboratory near the machines, the complete production is continually examined and tested. Another production control factor is the plant's own 4-color offset printing press. Here, the runnability and the printability of the paper are tested. It's also an important element in the development of new products and qualities. Also in the last phase of production, the finishing, the key words are quality and accuracy. Everything is fully automated, both the cutting up and wrapping. The reels are wrapped in several plies of stretch film with double corrugated cardboard, which is shock absorbing and provides protection against any impurities wherever they're stored. The whole packing is waterproof. The production line for the A4 size is a good example of efficiency coupled with high accuracy in size and quick and flexible delivery. A custom-built machine is used for exclusively cutting an A4 size. A new fully automatic packing system is cutting, counting, wrapping in wrappers and packing into boxes that are automatically palletized in an all-in-one continuous workflow. In the finishing department we find the cutting section too. Combined, the 3 synchronous cutting machines cut up 90,000 tons of paper a year. From 6 unwinders and at a speed of 350 meters per minute, the paper enters the machine, where it's cut with a very clean cut and with great accuracy, into the predetermined sizes coded into the computers of the machine. The cutting machines are changing pallets on the fly, so they're practically running 24 hours a day, 365 days per year. The next stage after the cutting machines is the modern wrapping machine. else the paper passes directly to foil wrapping. The wrapping material is environmentally friendly polyethylene, which is shrunk around the stack to protect the product in transit. Shipment is the final stage. The new modern dispatch terminal accommodating many lorries copes with the daily shipments. That's service and quick delivery. Cyclus is available as offset printing paper in sheets and reels, as copying paper in the A4 size, and as envelope paper in reels. All are available in several basis weights. Cyclus is sold all over Europe and in 22 overseas countries. Sales are handled via our own sales offices, such as the sales office in Copenhagen for Stora Papyrus Denmark. Resales are handled via paper wholesalers. Stora Papyrus owns some of these wholesaling companies, for example in Denmark, Sweden, the Netherlands, Belgium, France and the UK, but most of them are independent wholesalers. The wholesalers keep stocks and deliver Cyclus to commercial printers, envelope factories, continuous forms printers and other major paper-consuming plants. The conventional concept of what recycled paper looks like, and especially what it can be used for, has been completely changed by Cyclus and Cyclus Print. Cyclus and Cyclus Print meet all quality demands for an offset printing paper for 4-color process printing. Cyclus and Cyclus Print has a good profile and excellent printability. It's lint-free and the paper has chink. The stiffness, good printability, fine drying properties and the high whiteness of the reader-friendly off-white quality bring Cyclus on par with paper made from virgin wood. Recycling of paper means space savings at refuse sites and savings on imports of raw materials. No chlorine nor bleaching agents are used anywhere in the production, and the consumption of water and energy has been reduced. By means of computer control, the excess water from paper-making processes is being collected to reclaim lost fibres and dry matter. The remaining wastewater is piped to the Odense sewage treatment plant, where it's biologically purified without any impact on the environment, with the result that the Odense River, which passes the mill, will always have plenty of fish. An annual investment of 10 to 15 million kroner assures that the production is environmentally harmless. The environmental status of the mill has been approved by the county of Funen. Cyclus and Cyclus Print has the same properties as ordinary wood-free printed paper, but there are great savings in energy, water and wood too. A good example is the journal of the Danish National Trust, Natur and Miljø, Nature and Environment, which is now being printed on Cyclus. Developments are rapid at Stora Papyrus Dalum and everybody works hard and intensely. A coated quality based on 100% waste paper is a reality. Cyclus Print. The Cyclus quality we know today is uncoated, so with the Cyclus Print quality the range will be complete. Cyclus and Cyclus Print have paved the way to a cleaner environment, thus benefiting Europe. It's therefore no coincidence that Cyclus and Cyclus Print have been awarded several environmental certificates. When the mill was awarded the ISO 9002 certificate, this was just the first step towards total quality, meeting the customer's objective to do it right first time. An ongoing training program assures that our staff is always fully informed of the latest developments within the paper industry. The research and development work which led to Cyclus and Cyclus Print was carried out with the expertise of our staff, backed by Mauler Möllers and Dalum's more than 100 years of experience. Cyclus and Cyclus Print is 100% recycled paper with a natural white colour, a rustic glare-free surface and excellent printability. The steady and ever-increasing sales curve bears witness to the fact that Cyclus and Cyclus Print is the versatile paper of the future. Today, Cyclus is sold in more than 22 countries and is being exported to such faraway places as Hong Kong, Singapore and Australia. Cyclist and cyclist print is part of a future where environmental issues and recycling will be an increasingly more important and natural part of our everyday lives. And Stora Papyrus Dalum possesses the necessary expertise for this production of 100% recycled paper. And today, Stora Papyrus Dalum is one of the leading producers of post-consumer based fine paper in Europe.